Solar eclipse! Solar eclipse!
This is the pinhole projector, and I'll show you how to use it. So you take the hole and point it up to the sun, and then it projects the light down and onto the cardstock, and you can look through here and you'll see a tiny little dot of light, and after that, when the moon starts to block it, it looks a little bit like an eclipse. It's easy to make. You just need some tin foil, tape, and a paper roll. Oh, and some cardstock paper. It's really fun to be with my friends when I'm watching an eclipse.
It's really awesome to get to share this celestial event with my class, my colleagues. Everyone's so excited, and it's just amazing to hear the kids' predictions and what they think is going to happen, and then get to live it in the same day. It's just so fun to get to do this kind of hands-on learning. As a teacher, I think it's so fun to incorporate current events and real-world applications of the learning that happens in the classroom. With the activity that we did, making pinhole projectors, it incorporated math and measurement and geometry and fine motor and all sorts of other fun skills. So it's great to get to do it in a way that feels so engaging for the kids and so relevant.
I love being able to share this with them. The fifth graders are so curious and excited by this. They have been asking me great questions since we came back from spring break, so we've been able to gather those questions and investigate them and find answers for them. And I really like teaching phenomena-based science, and so we get really excited around the cool stuff on Earth.